Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. It's been a while since I've done a video, but we're going to do one today. Sam had a birthday last week and this is what I had planned to have on his birthday, but his sister and brother-in-law took him out to eat, so we're going to have it tonight. So this is a dish called shrimp Francesca, and I'm going to make a meal out of it. So the recipe that's down below is going to be the single recipe. I've doubled it. So, but the ingredients I give you will be for the single recipe. Now down in the bottom of this 9 by 13 pan, and I have lightly buttered it. I've got, we'll just say, a pound of shrimp. Then I lightly buttered the pan. Then we're going to add these artichoke quarters on top of the shrimp. And you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. This is one 15-ounce can of quartered artichokes. A little lemon peel here. Lemon seed, I'm sorry. The recipe will be down below. Now the shrimp is raw, deveined, and with the tails left on. Peeled and the tails left on. Alright, we've got our artichokes on there. Now I've got, these are Italian breadcrumbs, and this gets sprinkled on top. And make sure you cover everything, which I'm trying. Alright, so you sprinkle the Italian breadcrumbs on top. Now, you juice 1 lemon. And this gets put over the top of that. Now I've melted 1 stick of butter, which is 8 tablespoons, and added a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic, and that's going over this. Ooh, all that garlic hung on till the end. But that doesn't matter. We'll just use it like it is. And I'm gonna alright, that's done. Now on top of that, is 2 tablespoons of finely grated Romano cheese. Now I'm going to put this in an oven, the oven that I preheated to 375, and it's supposed to cook 10 to 12 minutes. I may have to cook this a bit longer because I told you I doubled it. And when that gets done, I'll bring you back. My shrimp Francesca is done. It's nice and brown on the top. I went ahead and cooked some pasta, and I used not fine. What was it, Sam?
Angel hair.
Angel hair pasta. And we're going to get this shrimp.
That looks good.
And
I don't think I've ever had this before. What's it called?
it's called shrimp Francesca.
Okay. Looks delicious.
Well, trying to get a picture of his plate, but I'll have to hold it up, guys.
This is something you cook if you invited the preacher over to eat.
It'd be a mighty expensive one, just because of the shrimp. But here it is on top of the angel hair spaghetti, and I'm gonna pass it over to him.
Dog. Got artichoke hearts.
Yeah, garlic, butter,
Oh goodness!
and we'll see what you
You
think
see how
about
hot it is. That artichoke heart's delicious.
it. Well, try one of those shrimp, because I doubled the recipe, and I cooked this about 15 minutes when it said 10 to 12 because I had twice as much in there. Are they done? Are they perfect?
Yeah, I say they were. They're delicious. They're the bomb. Delicious, yeah. This is quite a meal here.
You may need to cut that. You know, that's one thing I don't like about angel hair spaghetti, is it sticks together so easily. And I love it, but I don't like the end result.
Yeah, quite delicious. Yeah.
You got anything you want to say, Sam?
Well, I would like to tell them about this cab driver in New York.
Yeah.
There were 3 very highly inebriated guys standing on the corner, and they hailed this cab. The cab driver realized it, how intoxicated they were, so he thought he'd have a little fun with them. They were all going to the same place. So he drove about 10 feet and stopped. And he said, "Okay, we're here." The first guy got out and gave him $10 and said thank you. The second guy got out and gave him $5 and said thank you. The third guy slapped him upside the head. And the cab driver said, "Why in the world would you do that?" He said, "You drove so fast you could have killed us all."
Well, thank you for that, Sammy. And I want to thank all of you for coming back in to my kitchen and spending part of your day with me. It means a lot for you to spend part of your day with somebody. Thank all of you for the gifts that you bought on my Amazon gift site. Thank you, new subscribers. I'm glad to have you. My old subscribers, thank you for sticking with me and being my friend, because we're all one big family. So until next time, like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.